Hello friends, welcome to AS Tutorials. Today we are going to discuss angle of arrival in root locus method. The angle at which the branch or locus arrives at the complex 0 is called angle of arrival. It is denoted by 5a. Let us see how to calculate an angle of arrival with an example. Here I have considered open loop transfer function g of s into h of s is equal to k into s to the power 2 plus 4s plus 20 divided by s into s plus 3. In this open loop transfer function, we know that numerator s terms are considered as zeros and denominator s terms are considered as poles. Remember, the angle of arrival is calculated when the complex zeros are given in the problem. In this problem, from this quadratic equation, I am getting here complex zeros. Therefore, I am going to calculate the angle of arrival. In the previous video, we have calculated the angle of departure. Is in the denominator, when we have the complex poles, we have calculated the angle of departure. Remember, when in the numerator, when we have the complex zeros, we need to calculate the angle of arrival, and if you have in the denominator complex poles, then we need to calculate the angle of departure. In this problem, the complex zeros, that is s square plus 4s plus 20 is equal to 0. We are getting here complex pole s is equal to minus 2 plus j4, one complex pole. The second complex pole s is equal to minus 2 minus j4. This is the zeros we are getting from this example. And then poles, s is equal to 0, s is equal to minus 3. Now, by considering these poles and zeros, we are going to calculate the angle of arrival. So next we are going to plot the pole 0 plot. From that we are going to calculate the angle of arrival. Now on this, I am going to locate the pole location and 0 location. Here the pole location s is equal to 0, that is at the origin, s is equal to 0, and s is equal to minus 3, s is equal to minus 3, and 0 minus 2 plus j4, minus 2 plus 0 plus j4, and then second complex 0. Here the first complex 0 minus 2 plus j4, second complex 0 minus 2 minus j4. Now to calculate angle of arrival, we are going to consider either this point or this point. Any one point we are going to consider. The value what I am going to get at this point, the same value I am going to get at this point with the opposite sign. So the procedure to calculate angle of arrival is, we are going to join all the roots towards to this point, or we are going to join all the roots towards to this point. Any one point we are going to consider. In this example, I am considering now this point. Therefore, this pole I am going to join towards to this 0, and this 0 I am going to join towards to this 0, and this pole I am going to join towards to this 0. So by this I am going to get pole angle phi p1 I am going to name, and this from this I am going to get 0 angle I am going to name phi z1, and at this point I am going to get a second pole angle. For this I am going to name phi p2, and now I am going to join these angles. Now I am going to join this this pole towards to this 0, and I am going to name this as a phi p1, and then I am going to join this 0 towards to this pole, and then I am going to name this as a phi z1, and then I am going to join this pole towards to this 0, then I am going to name this as a phi p2. So this is the step we need to follow to calculate the angle of arrival. Now the formula to calculate angle of arrival is phi a is equal to 180 plus 5. In the angle of departure, we have considered 180 minus 5. For angle of arrival, we need to consider 180 plus 5. And the phi formula remains same. Phi is equal to summation of phi p minus summation of phi z. Now in this summation of phi p is equivalent to, I am having two pole angles, that is phi p1 plus phi p2. So I need to calculate phi p1. So phi p1, we know that here tan inverse of opposite by adjacent. Tan inverse of opposite value is 4 and adjacent value is 1. 4 by 1. So this will be equivalent to phi p1 is equivalent to tan inverse of 4 is 75.96 degree. So this is the phi p1 angle I got. Next I am going to calculate phi p2. To calculate phi p2, here you can see that this angle and this angle both are unknown. Therefore I am going to consider 180 minus tan inverse of opposite by adjacent. Tan inverse of opposite is 4 and adjacent is 2. 4 by 2. Here phi p2 is equivalent to 180 minus tan inverse of 2 is 63.43. Therefore here I am getting phi p2 is equivalent to 180 minus 63.43 is 116.57 degree. So this is the phi p2, that is pole at origin angle I got 116.57 degree. So now we are going to substitute in the above formula, that is summation phi p. Summation phi p is equivalent to phi p1 we got 75.96 degree plus phi p2 I got 116.57. Therefore the summation phi p here I am getting 92.53. This is the summation phi p I got. Next I am going to calculate summation phi z. Summation phi z is equivalent to, in this I am having only one zero angle, that is phi z1, and phi z1 directly we can calculate here. Phi z1 is equivalent to 90 degree. Therefore summation phi z is equivalent to 90 degree. Now we are going to substitute this in phi formula, that is phi is equivalent to summation phi p minus summation phi z. Now we know that summation phi p I got 192.53 minus summation phi z I got here 90 degree. Therefore phi is equivalent to 102.53 degree. So this is phi I got. Now I will substitute this phi in angle of arrival formula. Phi a is equivalent to 180 plus 5. Therefore phi a is equivalent to 180 plus 102.53 degree. Phi a I am getting 282.53. At I have calculated at this point. Therefore at minus 2 plus j4. The same value with opposite sign I am going to consider at this point, that is minus 282.53 degree at minus 2 minus j4. So this is the angle of arrival where the branches are going to arrive at 0 with this angle, that is at 282.53 at this point and minus 282.53 at this point. Now remember, whenever the complex zeros are given, we are going to calculate the angle of arrival. When complex poles are given, then we will calculate angle of departure. And the difference in formula is, for angle of departure is 180 minus 5 and the angle of arrival formula is 180 plus 5. Hope you understood this video. For more such videos, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.